So let's continue on and do question 1b. This is 2003 November. So 1b is use your table to find on the set P the true set of n times into bracket n times 6 is equal to 3. So here, like all the cases, you need to start with n is equal to 2, and then you go all the way to n is equal to 6 and see which of them really satisfy the equation. So I'll start with n is equal to 2 implies this will be 2 times, remember the original equation is b is, you need to do 2 times 6 is equal to 3. This is what we are checking against. So we're going to have for n is equal to 2 times 2 times 6, and this is equal to 2 times, always do the one in bracket first, 2 and 6, so 2 and 6 is equal to 5, and therefore 2 and 5 is equal to 3. So that satisfies the requirement. So I'm coming down here and I'm going to change the pen color so you can see what I want to write here. And I'm going to say my equation, my true set is n such that n is equal to, and I have 2. I'm starting with 2, so 2 is correct. So I'm going to put 2 here, and I keep working this out. So I come back here and I'll say, well, let's start with n is equal to 3. So that will be 3 times 3 times 6 is equal to, now this is 3 times 3 and 6, I have 3 here, and then 6 here is 4. So 3 and 4 is equal to 5. Of course 5 is not equal to, so 5 is not part of it. So let's do n is equal to 4. When n is equal to 4, I have 4 times 4 times 6 is equal to 4 times and 4 and 6 will give me 3. 4 and 6 will give me 3, and so 4 and 3 is equal to 5. So that also doesn't satisfy the equation. You can see that. So now let's move on to n is equal to 5 and see how it plays here. So I'm gonna have n is equal to 5. So I come back here. So when n is equal to 5, I have 5 times 5 times 6, which is equal to 5 times 5 and 6 will give me 2, and 5 and 2 will give me 3. So that means, look, 3 is also 5 is also part of the equation, so I'll put 5 here. Let's see if 6 will also take care of that business for us. So when n is equal to 6, look, you can this is how you solve it. So the examiner will see that you actually show n is equal to this and solve it this way, like that, and then you can just quickly do that. So n is equal to 6, that means 6 times 6 times 6, which is equal to 6 times 6, and 6 is 1, and 6 times 1, even though 6 times 1 is not, I think the question is probably not properly set, because 6 times 1 is not part of the choice. So but generally we know 6 times 1 is equal to 6, and in module 7 is equal to 6. So this is also not going to be part of the equation. So that means your solution tells n such that n is equal to 2, 5. Alright, so that's it.